So step 1 for this, navigate to theme settings. Step 2, locate delivery time. Be sure you're in a product page so you can see this as it updates. Step 3, update the shipping time to reflect your actual shipping time. To do that, just scroll down to General Delivery. And you can also display this as a date. Another great feature of this add-on is that you can apply it to specific products. You can change the delivery time to reflect those different suppliers. And that's as simple as just selecting the product and updating the time. And that's the delivery time add-on. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.